iDaily Sun idecide ukuthi-ke ibhale ngongizwe mchunu ukuthi kusabhekwa indawo zomatshini March phela umthakathi nazo zonke izinto ezenzakala eSouth Africa bathi cha bona nje basafuna ukukhuluma ngendaba kangizwe eke yathi kukhulunywa boma 3 to 2 weeks ago kuba nezindaba washo ukuthi-ke angiwuthandi umhlebo umgosi angiwuthandi kodwa-ke iDaily Sun decide ukuthi no izokwenza nje udaba ngayo-ke leyo ndaba leyo. Ngizwe has come out singing for his third wife after cheating rumors exploded online. He says Florida Gray wasn't unfaithful. Isihloko leso-ke sisho njalo sithi-ke why my wife works overseas. Bafowethu kahle kahle lapha online siyathanda nje ukuyikhulumela izinto singabantu ukuthi ziphumaphi nanomsuka wazo asizazi ukuthi-ke ziphumaphi. Ithini indaba-ke ngizwe shuts down Florida cheating claims. Uyeke nkosikazi wesithathu-ke lo kangizwe ngingabona abantu begijima kakhulu nalolu daba lolu ngangabe ngisathi kwenzakalani kwase ukuthi nje into nje enokuhleba vele hlahle iyabheda ngithanda ukuyikhuluma and futhi besabheke indaba zomatshini March sisabheke indaba zophela umthakathi sisabheke iy'teti zilokhu yitrend-ke lezi iy'teti isikhathi eside basho ukuthi lolu daba lolu ngitsheti into ezodlula kodwa uma besalibuyisa beDaily Sun-ke okusho ukuthi bafuna sikhulume ngalo sokhuluma-ke ngalo right. Self-proclaimed amabhinqa president and former Ukhozi FM presenter Ngizwe Mchunu has revealed why his third wife, R&B singer Florida Gray, chose to work with artists outside Mzansi. Speaking on the podcast and Chill Network, Bhinqa Nation Ngizwe said Florida loved working with local artists but allegedly struggled after some people in the industry asked her for sexual favors. He said there was a time when Florida wanted to quit music as she was tired of people allegedly asking to sleep with her. Florida, whose real name is Nqobile Florida Mthimkhulu, became Ngizwe's third wife in 2015. Daily Sun previously reported that he later broke off the marriage and confirmed in 2024 that she had moved on. Florida is signed to List Entertainment Africa, which has worked with top African artists including Wizkid and Tiwa Savage. She also worked with Nigerian artists including producer Mastercraft and guitarist Fio K. Ngizwe made comments while defending Florida after allegations that she had cheated on him with a Nigerian businessman. Florida was spotted in Cape Town sitting next to a Nigerian man, and some social media users assumed she was cheating on Ngizwe. My wife is faithful to me. She didn't cheat. That man she was spotted with is not her boyfriend. She knows some Nigerians because she worked with artists outside the country, said Ngizwe. Florida said she was glad Ngizwe defended her. I didn't watch the podcast, so I won't be commenting on the sexual favors part, but I'm happy he defended me, said Florida. In Mzansi, Florida has worked with DJ Tira, Nadia Kai, and Donald. Isho kanjalo-ke indaba. Ngiyakhumbula phela bemhlephula ungizwe sebehleki ngaye sebekhuluma ngaye sebenyuka ngabona nama-video khona ku-YouTube. Into kanjeni ngeke ngithi kuba nzima uma uyindoda khuluma ngama-topic kanje into zo-cheating because as a man yourself you know ukuthi kubuhlungu kanjani lento mayingenzeka kuwena. So ngeke ngingathanda ukuthi sidlale le topic. Bangakhuluma nje abesimame benze ama-video nani nami angithandi-ke kube ngathi ngiphusha umgosi kodwa ngibone le ndaba lapha kwi-Daily Sun ekhuluma ngayo nami angizokuconfirma into eyikhulunywayo but-ke ungizeke wenze ubudoda-ke ngokuthi naye-ke avikele igama likankosikazi wakhe ngoba bese belinephuza kakhulu lapha online and ungizwe agcine ngayo eveza-ke iy'nkulumo ey'thize lapha kwi-podcast and Chill under iBhinqa Nation ngoba phela-ke ukukhuluma kusho ukuthi bengafuni ukuphela. Indaba siyibamba lapho-ke sizobuya-ke khona la kwi-Indofast TV sesizobeka lolu daba-ke oluthinta-ke Solwa Maskade-ke siphinde sithi-ke ukuthinta-ke nakwanye ama-topics anjengawo la awungizwe.